Hello everyone, this is Dave from daveswreathsandthings, and today I'm joining Susie from Susie's Stuff for another 60-second DIY collaboration. What's it gonna be today? You're gonna have to wait 60 seconds to find out. So, how about we get this 60-second DIY collaboration on the go? Don't forget to check the link down below to Susie's video. You'll want to see what she's making today. 60 seconds are on the clock, and I have an 8x10 frame and a 4x6 frame, and I got both of these at the dollar store. So you can choose any colors that you want. I just decided to use two of the black ones. I found matching ones, so the 8x10 matched the 4x6, so I thought that was kind of cool. And then I have these scrapbook pieces of paper that I liked, and I just cut them down to size. And right now I'm just filling that into the frame and closing them all up again with the glass on the outside for these ones here. And I'm just going to get those all put together, and once I do, I'm going to grab that hot glue gun and some glue, and I'm just going to throw a whole bunch down and secure it together such that the bottom is nice and even for both of them. And my final step, because I only have 8 seconds to go, come on Dave, hurry up. I just put this metal pencil holder together, and I'm going to glue that down. 2, 1, time's up! I did it! So I had this idea of doing like this kind of really quick DIY where you can make a little list of stuff that you need. Milk, eggs, bacon. Apparently I was in the mood for breakfast that morning. Or little notes to your loved ones. And then once you're done making your notes, you can just throw all the erasable pens in the little slide there with the little holder. And here we go, I have it all set up in my kitchen. Of course, my to-do list: clean the kitchen, absolutely not. Laundry, nah. Craft, yes sir. So I hope you enjoyed today's 60-second DIY collaboration. I know I had a lot of fun doing this today, and I'm sure you had a lot of fun watching our little 60-second DIY collab. Don't forget to click the link down below. That'll take you to Susie's video. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. Take care. Bye for now.